Alright YouTube, here it is. It's the Kyosho Inferno MP9 electric conversion rebuild. All done, all painted. AKA Enduro tires. One of the taller stock Kyosho bodies. Tekin Redline 2250 kV motor, RX8 speed control. Got some batteries here, 4500 mil, 4-cell, 30C from Hobby King. SR300 radio, Savix SC1256 titanium gear servo, and it's pretty much all dialed in. So gonna take it out here. I'm on location at NorCal Hobbies. Got one of their awesome helpers there providing some traction for us, and I'm gonna take this thing around the track sometimes and see how she does. Thanks for watching.
Paint bodies. You can paint your own.
Alright. Let's see what happens here.
This part of the area, you'll get some control because this part's a sharp turn. You'll get some control right there.
Cool, awesome. Thanks so much for all the sweeping, man. Appreciate it. See how those halfway worn out Enduros do for me. Woo. Watch where I'm walking. Put on my shoes. Okay, I've only driven an 8-scale buggy once. It was a super dialed Associated. I don't know exactly which one, but it was super dialed. So see how it goes.
MP9?
Yeah.
It's the best fucking car, man.
Thanks, man. I just rebuilt it.
I got the Mugen.
Oh yeah? That's also a really good car.
MBX.
All right, here we go. First time on a track.
Too fast.
Woo!
Slow it down. That's the thing. It's too fast.
Too fast?
Turn it down there.
I don't know. I am. Slower is faster. Is it?
2250 kV. Tekin RX8.
2250?
Yep. Working on my air control there. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo.
Four cell or 5 cell?
4-cell. This thing, the guy that had it before me was running 6-cell, and you could tell it was so worn out. Oh, I gotta work on that.
This easy throttle's coming through there.
Yeah, say again?
Easy throttle. When it goes down, throttle, down, throttle. After that jump there, you don't have to really touch it. You know, just let it land.
Yeah. I got a little drag brake on there, helping with the arc too. Oop. A little faster through there. Well, I'm shaking.
Nervous?
I shouldn't be. I mean, I've been driving an RB5 forever. I'm pretty good at it. Oh.
That's all right,
folks.
Shrug that right off.
You know when it starts to crash, you know how to just stay on the throttle, right?
Uh-oh.
I just lost all steering.
You have an on and off switch on it?
No, I have throttle though. Something must have come disconnected.
So wait, so what happened?
So I stripped the servo horn. This little guy right here. See there? Oh, see how the screw's moving, but the servo's not?
Classic servo horn.
Yeah, that's a bummer. Well, that was fun.
Yeah, got a couple of good spins.
Yeah, Yeah, I'm gonna go get one.
Woo, return to the king!
Little shiny right there. Aluminum. Right there.
And it's blue.
Yeah. Could have been freaking pink for all I care. I need to adjust the steering trim a little bit. That's throttle trim. Good enough. Alright, full throttle. Better. Oh. 2 more laps. We'll call it a day.
Let me get down there for the last one. Or for the second one. Whatever.
Is it better now, Jason?
Oh, yeah.
Jason, right?
Yeah.
That was
Whoa.
Down the hammer on that one.
Yeah. Oh, I love this car. Too much thunder on that one. Gotta come off that knob.
I missed it. You gotta do it again.
All right.
I hate twisting your arm.
That's a lot of motor.
We'll have fun off that jump.
Yeah, for sure. Alright, now I'm about to get cool.
I heard that.
Not too bad, if I don't say. Once I fixed it.
I know. Have you ever been here before?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I come here a lot.
Dude, they got a statue of him out front.
This is my first 8-scale buggy. There's a statue of what?
Nothing.
Oh. Yeah, there's a statue of me out front. So there it is. The fan is not even blowing on the Tekin R8. RX-8? RX-8, yes, the RX-8. So there it is. Turned it off. Got a little bit of, a little more refining to do. A little more refining to do. Some plastic shredding from somewhere. I don't know what that's from. It's like something. Oh, ooh, that's not good. Huh. You know what I bet it is? Oh man. Look at the center differential. See how it's got a big divot in it? That's bad. I bet a rock got caught in there and chewed the crap out of it.
Man.
Yeah, that's gonna suck to replace. Actually, this is a plastic piece and I can replace it by itself, but I have to rebuild the center diff again. Welcome to the world of 8-scale buggies. All right.